There's no safer place than right here with me. Safe haven, making sure you continue to be scheduled before January 14th.
It's getting harder and harder as prices go higher and higher. At ShopRite, we've taken the items you want most and locked in the prices all winter long, so you won't pay more. Buy what you want when you need it. From now through April 6th, assorted ShopRite corn and green beans, 49 cents, and wishbone dressings and spritzers, $1.99.
I love it when he snores when he sleeps. It's so cute.